Understanding shared victory in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, shared victory. This phrase isn't just about winning. It's about the spirit of teamwork and success. Let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Shared victory refers to a success or win that is achieved collectively by a group or team. It emphasizes the idea that the triumph belongs to everyone involved, not just an individual. This phrase is often used in contexts where teamwork, collaboration, and joint efforts are key to achieving a goal. Let's see how shared victory is used in real-life scenarios. 1. Sports. When a football team wins a match, the coach might say, "This is a shared victory. Each one of you played a crucial part." 2. Business. In a company, after a successful project, a manager might comment, "This project was a shared victory. Our teamwork led to this success." 3. Personal relationships. Friends who complete a challenge together might say, "We did it. It's a shared victory." Encouraging teamwork. Let's aim for a shared victory. We can succeed together. Acknowledging contributions. This achievement is a shared victory, thanks to everyone's hard work. Building community spirit. Our community's progress is a shared victory, a testament to our collective efforts. Shared victory is a powerful phrase that highlights the beauty of achieving goals together. It's about celebrating success as a team and recognizing that everyone's contribution matters. We hope this video helps you understand and use shared victory in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.